Everybody, hope everyone is doing good. Today it is not a cooking video, but I wanted to share my thoughts. Besides cooking, I love gardening. Right from my childhood, I am an avid gardener. So I generally make my own compost at home and I plant trees. My plants with that compost. I don't have a big place for my plants, but I have a small balcony which I generally use for that. Someday definitely I'll make a video of my cute little balcony. So today I'll be telling you one such incident that really shocked me. So when I make compost, I generally add into it all the onion peels, all the organic thing that we use in home, like the mangoes, the everything. So in that process only I added paper cups into my compost. So when I wanted to use my compost again for planting, I saw that the plastic cup did not decompose completely. Then when I googled about it, I got to know that they use a little bit of plastic in the paper cups. So I was petrified on seeing that. So my simple advice is use a tumbler like this. Wherever you go, take this tumbler, a small tumbler, so that it could be easy for you and you can save the environment. And the second thing is use a cloth bag like this, any cloth bag. What is the necessity of using a cloth bag is you're saving the environment, you're saving it from plastic pollution, which is hazardous to the planet and hazardous to earth. My intention is not to hurt anyone, but this is my thought I am sharing with you all. So please do use plastic free bags, plastic free cups. And most of you people get a doubt what to do of the old bottles, like plastic containers which we have at home. What to do with them? Simple. Plant trees in that. That will grow very well. You don't have place to plant trees. Okay, plant them in a plastic bottle, like you get some drink bottles, right? Plant trees in that. That will enhance your mood. Generally planting trees and seeing plants every day enhances your mood. They're like stress busters. So I hope everyone follows this, and thank you so much.